What if I told you that one wrong click could cost you everything? Your bank account, your identity, even your private moments. You think you're safe online? Think again. Hackers, scammers, and cybercriminals are watching your every move, and most people don't even realize how vulnerable they are. Today on WYZIFACTS, we're diving into the darkest corners of the internet, exposing real-life cybercrime cases, AI-powered hacking, and the terrifying tricks cybercriminals use to trap you. And most importantly, how to protect yourself before it's too late. Stay with us because by the end of this video, you'll never look at the internet the same way again. Imagine receiving an email that looks exactly like it's from your bank. Same logo, same formatting, but it's a trap. In this video, we'll simulate a live phishing attack to show just how easy it is for hackers to steal your password with a fake login page. But that's not all. Ever wondered what happens when you connect to public Wi-Fi at a coffee shop? We'll demonstrate how hackers can intercept your data in real time using simple tools. And if you think you're too smart to be tricked, watch as we uncover the sneaky psychological tricks social engineering hackers use to make people reveal their passwords without even realizing it. This isn't just theory, this is how real-world hacks happen. Stay till the end to learn how to protect yourself before it's too late. Imagine waking up to find your private data leaked online, your bank account emptied, or your favorite celebrity's social media hacked and used to scam millions. In this video, we dive into some of the most shocking cybercrimes in history, from the massive Equifax data breach that exposed millions of identities to the Sony hack that shook Hollywood. But where does all this stolen data go? We'll take a chilling look into dark web marketplaces, where credit card details, hacked accounts, and even personal identities are sold for the price of a cup of coffee. And if you think only big companies are targets, think again. Watch as we break down how hackers hijack influencer accounts and scam their followers using fake giveaways and deepfake videos. Stay with us to learn how to spot the red flags before you become the next victim. Think you're safe just because you're using incognito mode? Think again. Many people believe it makes them completely anonymous online, but in reality, your internet provider, employer, and even some websites can still track you. And if you're a Mac user who thinks Macs don't get viruses, you might want to reconsider. Cybercriminals are targeting Apple devices more than ever with spyware, ransomware, and phishing attacks. But the biggest myth of all? A strong password is enough to keep hackers out. Not anymore. Without multi-factor authentication, MFA, even the strongest password can be stolen in seconds through phishing or data leaks. Stay with us as we debunk these cybersecurity myths, expose the risks, and show you how to truly stay protected online. What if I told you that one wrong click could lock up all your files, steal your passwords, and even turn your own webcam against you? In this video, we'll demonstrate exactly what happens when you click a malicious link. From the moment malware sneaks onto your device to the terrifying reality of ransomware holding your data hostage, demanding money just to get your files back. But that's not all. We'll uncover how spyware can silently track your every move, logging your keystrokes, stealing your login credentials, and even spying on you through your own camera and microphone. You won't believe how easy it is for hackers to do this, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to protect yourself before it's too late. What if I told you that right now on the dark web your personal information, your email, passwords, even your credit card, could be up for sale for as little as $5? In this video we're taking a legal and safe dive into the hidden corners of the internet where stolen identities, hacking tools, and even fake hitman services are just a few clicks away. But not everything is what it seems. Many of these black market scams are designed to trick criminals themselves. We'll simulate the process of buying stolen data, expose the dangers lurking in underground marketplaces, and reveal how cybercriminals exploit the dark web to make millions. Stay till the end to learn how to check if your data has already been leaked and how to protect yourself before it's too late. Think your passwords are strong enough to keep hackers out? Let's put them to the test. In this video, we're launching a live password challenge to show just how easy or difficult it is for hackers to crack your credentials. But security doesn't stop there. We'll also take you through a step-by-step guide on setting up an unhackable home network, from securing your Wi-Fi to blocking cyber threats before they reach you. And before you click on that next email, Watch as we break down real phishing scams and fake websites, exposing the sneaky tricks cybercriminals use to steal your data. Stay with us till the end for pro-level security tips that will keep you safe online, because in today's digital world, one mistake could cost you everything. What if I told you that AI-powered hackers could crack your passwords, mimic your voice, and even create realistic deepfake videos of you, all without ever meeting you? In this video, we'll explore the terrifying ways AI is being weaponized by cybercriminals, from deepfake scams that can drain bank accounts to automated hacking bots that can breach entire networks in seconds. But the scariest part? AI-driven cyber attacks are only getting smarter, and they could be the biggest threat to digital security we've ever faced. Stay with us as we unmask the future of AI-powered hacking, show you real examples of deepfake scams, and teach you how to protect yourself from next-gen cyber threats before it's too late. If you learned something new today, smash that like button and subscribe for more insane facts that could literally save your digital life. And hey, if you've ever been hacked or nearly scammed, share your story in the comments below. Let's learn and fight back together. Stay safe, stay smart, and I'll see you in the next one. This is Wizzy Facts, signing off.